As we walk into here, our first station is going to be registration.
In Windsor-Essex County, Ontario, COVID-19 is wreaking havoc for farmers and migrant workers alike.
So once we enter the swabbing stations, there will be 2 nurses at each swabbing station, and they will process the agri-farm worker.
To try to stop the outbreak, staff at this new screening centre hope to test 9,000 migrant workers. They didn't bring COVID with them, but were infected in Canada, and some say that was avoidable.
Que el patrón no le interesa nuestra bienestar.
This man says his employer doesn't encourage workers to report when they're sick and doesn't seek help for those who are. Complaints like his are detailed in a report by the Migrant Workers Alliance for Change, which links the outbreaks to cramped bunkhouse living conditions and to workers' fears of speaking out.
Without the ability to be able to defend against dismissal and deportation, they are simply unable to assert the few rights that they do have.
The Canadian Federation of Agriculture denies there's a pattern of exploitation.
I just can't imagine anyone I know treating anyone the way that it's been framed in that report. It doesn't add up for me for anything I've ever seen in agriculture. It just does not add up.
The immigration minister says government inspectors haven't seen it either.
We've already carried out hundreds of inspections, and my understanding is that each and every one of those inspections has led to a compliant result.
Today, though, the PM suggested changes are coming.
We need to do a better job of protecting temporary agricultural workers in this country, temporary foreign workers in this country. We have taken a number of steps, but there's more to do, and we will do it.
In the meantime, Windsor-Essex County is hoping that testing will put a lid on this outbreak before more workers get sick and more farms are forced to stop operations. Evan Dyer, CBC News, Chelsea, Quebec.